Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Altera Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search Altera Payroll Login. Then scroll down a little bit. There you can see RPO Employee Login. Click on it, or just go to rpo.alterapayroll.com. It will then take you to the login portal of Altera. There, enter your username and your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your Altera Payroll. If you have forgot your username, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Username. And if you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Password. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.